Unit 13. Tape script 13.1. Clothes. 1,
A jumper.
2,
A shirt and tie.
3,
A t-shirt and shorts.
4,
A skirt.
5,
A dress.
6,
Shoes and socks.
7,
Trainers.
8,
A jacket.
9,
A scarf.
10,
Boots.
11,
A suit.
12.
Trousers.
Tape script 13.2. What are they wearing? 1,
Nigel's wearing a grey suit and a white shirt. He's reading his emails.
2,
Lily's wearing a yellow t-shirt and white trainers. She's running.
3,
Rick's wearing blue jeans and a red jumper. He's playing the guitar.
4,
Eva's wearing a green jacket and brown boots. She's carrying a black bag.
5,
Polly and Penny are wearing yellow dresses and blue shoes. They're eating ice cream.
Tape script 13.3.
What's he wearing? What's she doing? What are they doing?
Tape script 13.4. Asking questions. 1,
What's he doing?
He's cooking dinner for friends.
2,
What's he doing?
He's driving to London.
3,
What's he doing?
He's having a shower after work.
4,
What's she doing?
She's writing an email to her mother.
5,
What's she doing?
She's skiing in France.
6,
What's she doing?
She's eating a strawberry ice cream.
7,
What are they doing?
They're running fast.
8,
What are they doing?
They're dancing at a party.
9,
What are they doing?
They're playing golf in the rain.
Tape script 13.5. Nigel at work.
Nigel is a businessman. He works from 9 to 5:30 every day. He always wears a suit and tie for work. He usually has lunch at his desk at 1 o'clock. He arrives home at about 7 every evening, and he reads to his children before they go to bed. He often feels very tired at the end of the day.
Tape script 13.6. A holiday phone call.
Hello?
Nigel, it's Bill. Sorry to call you about work.
Oh, hi, Bill. That's okay.
First things first, are you having a good time?
Yes, we are. We're having a great time.
Are you staying in a hotel?
No, we're not. We're staying in a house with a swimming pool near the beach.
Wonderful. And your family? Are they enjoying it?
Oh, yes. The kids are swimming in the pool right now. Can you hear them?
I can. And are you and your wife relaxing?
We are. We're sitting by the pool. Karen's sunbathing, And I'm reading a lot. And I'm not wearing a suit and tie. Just shorts and a t-shirt.
You're lucky. It's raining again here. Now, I'm calling about work.
OK, Bill. What's the problem?
Well, the thing is...
Tape script 13.7. 1.
Are they having a good time?
Yes, they are.
2.
Where are they staying?
They're staying in a house with a swimming pool near the beach.
3.
What are the children doing?
They're swimming in the pool.
4.
What's Karen doing?
She's sunbathing.
5.
What's Nigel doing?
He's talking on the phone.
6.
Is he wearing a suit?
No, he isn't.
7.
Why is Bill calling?
Because he has a problem.
Tape script 13.8. 4 conversations. Conversation 1.
Hello, I'm Colin.
Hi, Colin. Lovely to meet you. This is my wife, Margaret.
It's very good of you to come and help us.
I'm pleased to be here.
Conversation 2.
That's much better. Now, read it again.
There was a man who worked hard and his
Business.
his business became very successful.
Great! You're doing well.
Conversation 3.
Hello, darling.
Colin, how are you? We're all missing you.
I'm missing you too, but I'm having a good time. It's very interesting here. Roger and Margaret are wonderful people.
Conversation 4.
Hi, boys.
Hiya! Dad, hi! We're doing our homework.
Hey, that's good. I'm working hard too.
Are you having a good time?
I am. I'm with some really interesting people.
Oh, can we meet them? Yeah.
Yes, you can. I'd like you to meet them.
See you soon, Dad.
Yeah, I can't wait. See you soon.
Script 13.9. Opposite verbs. 1.
Please don't ask me any more questions. I can't answer them.
2.
I'm selling my old car and I'm buying a new one.
3.
We always get up at 7 in the morning and go to bed at 11 at night.
4.
It was cold, so Tom took off his t-shirt and put on a warm jumper.
5.
I usually walk to school, but yesterday I was late, so I ran all the way.
6.
John's playing tennis with Peter today. He always loses. He never wins.
7.
Don't turn off the TV. I'm watching it. Please turn it on again.
Tape script 13.10. Opposite verbs. 1.
Would you like an espresso? No, thank you. I hate black coffee. Do you? I love it.
2.
What time does the film start?
6:45.
And do you know when it finishes?
About 8:30, I think.
3.
Would you like to play tennis after work?
Sorry, I can't. I'm working late again.
4.
A train leaves London at 13:55.
And what time does it arrive in Paris?
1605.
Wow, that's fast.
5.
Did you remember to bring your dictionary?
Oh, sorry. I forgot it.
Not again.
6.
Can I open the window? I'm hot.
Of course. Just remember to close it when you leave the room.
Script 13.11. What's the matter? 1,
She's cold.
2,
He's hungry.
3,
They're tired.
4,
He's thirsty.
5,
They're hot.
6,
She's bored.
7,
He's angry.
8,
She's worried.
9,
He has a headache.
10.
She has a cold.
Tape script 13.12. Why don't you... 1,
What's the matter?
I'm tired and thirsty.
Why don't you have a cup of tea?
Ooh, that's a good idea.
Sit down. I'll make it for you.
2,
What's the matter?
I have a bad headache.
Oh, dear. Why don't you take some aspirin?
I don't have any.
It's okay. I have some.